Do you see how it glitters and shimmers? Do you see all the precious stones and the jewels?
It's quite pretty, yes.
Pretty? Quite pretty? Is that all you can say? There's some people who can't see how beautiful it is. But you're not like that, are you? You're not blind and foolish.
Oh, no, I can see all that isn't hidden.
Luckily, I always carry with me the one thing that can lure light to human eyes.
What's that shining on the front?
It's the big diamond that makes people see.
How?
Well, when you put it on your head and you turn the diamond from right to left, like this, it presses a bump that nobody knows of and opens your eyes.
But does it hurt?
No, of course not, you silly thing. It's enchanted. When you have the diamond on, you can even see into the inside of things. The soul of bread, for instance, and of milk and of water.
Can you see the soul of sugar, too?
Well, of course you can, you silly thing. The soul of sugar is no more important than the soul of water. There. I give you all I have to help you in your search to find the bluebird. Take it, Tyltyl. It's curious and practical and quite noiseless.
Thank you.
Put it on, Tyltyl. Turn the diamond, Tyltyl.
Who are you?
I am the light that makes men see. The world's all lapis lazuli. The simplest wooden cabins made of jasper, emerald, and jade. A table of plain humdrum pine suddenly seems crystalline, and all the simple oaken chairs sparkle like huge solitaires. Lift the veil, shake off the mist, mere brick and mortar's amethyst. I am the light that makes men see the radiance in reality.
Fancy just one sparkling flash, and I'm freed from a life of smoke and ash. Water flowing at our own sweet will. You, sir, have a certain flair. But keep your distance, stay right there.
Mytyl, Tyltyl, the silky soul of spilt milk.
How do you do? Bread is the name. Man's oldest friend.
Nonsense.
Man's oldest friend and most faithful companion.
Without me, he'd be just a lump of dough.
Without me, you'd be just a bag of flour. I'm man's oldest friend. What is kind to human beings?
What about those you drowned?
Don't be ridiculous.
And now, my dear child, this one's for you.
Now, my dear, I'll make you all sweet and kind and cordial.
You must be sugar.
Indeed, I am sweet child. Have a candy? Children?
Here, Tyltyl, have some candy. Tyltyl.
My dear little master. At last we can talk. At last.
Tyltyl.
I'd bark and wag my tail, but you never really understood. But now, we can talk. I'm so happy. So very happy. Can I do some tricks, shall I? I stand on my front paws, dance on my hind legs.
Do stop making such a fool of yourself, Tyltyl. Good evening, everybody.
It's the soul of Tyltyl. Go and kiss her.
I want to kiss everyone. Oh, what fun we're going to have. Oh, I must kiss you again, little master.
What are you doing up this time? Why aren't you in bed? We're going to look for the bluebird. You can't do that. Why not?
Well, it's dangerous. Dangerous.
Stay here, then, if you're afraid. We're going, aren't we, master? We're going. I'll be good and useful and dig and bark.
And now we're off to seek and find the precious secret for mankind. Look, one of these avenues leads to the Blue Adventure. Choose. Be determined. Brace your heart. Your journey is about to start.
No. Not that one. This one.
We'll go that way. Don't forget the birdcage.
Oh, I'm in charge of that.
No, you must stay here. The children are going to visit the grandparents, and we have not been invited.
Where are we going?
To the land of memory. There's a possibility that the bluebird is hidden someplace in the past. You'll see your grandmother and your grandfather there in the mists of time.
Listen to me. Consider our fate and the destiny of our children. All of us here, animals, things, elements, all of us possess a soul that man does not yet know. That is why we still have some kind of independence. But if he finds the bluebird, he will know all, he will see all, and we will be completely at his mercy.
Dear me, how very alarming.
You gotta fix it so they never find the bluebird. We've got to stop them.
Don't be ridiculous. We can't do that.
Why not?
We must obey man. We must do what he tells us.
Let's look. Why not give us reasons?
There are no reasons. I love man. That's enough. Hurrah for man! Man forever! You do one thing against him, I'll throttle you first and go and tell him everything.
Hurry back. Turn the diamond when you see them.
Goodbye. I can't see anything. Can you? Still nothing. Perhaps there's nobody here. I said we'd see Grandma and Grandpa. Perhaps she was wrong. Mytyl, look. Don't you recognize it? I don't know. I can't remember. Yes, I can. It's Grandpa's cottage.
Grandpa, wake up. What is it? What's up?
Do you feel anything?
You are. I'm half asleep.
It's Mytyl and Tyltyl. They're thinking of us.
Oh, so they are.
Here we are, Grandma. Grandpa, here we are. Grandpa.
I'm not up to running much. It's me rheumatics.
I still got my wooden leg.
Oh, tall and strong you've grown, Tyltyl.
Little Mytyl, how pretty you look.
Come here. Come and give us a kiss. How sweet you smell. Kiss me again. Kiss me again.
And what about me? Come kiss your old grandfather.
Hey, up there.
And how's your mummy and daddy? Are they all right?
Well, they were asleep when we came out.
Oh.
You haven't changed a bit, Grandpa. Not a bit. Neither has Grandma.
Oh, we stopped growing older, that's why.
What about you? Come, let's take a look at you. Come along to the mark on the door where we measured you last time. Come along now. Let's see how much taller you have grown. There, that's the spot. Stand straight. That's right.